who to complain to. So if you feel your privacy rights have been violated in some way, who do you complain to on Amazon? So one of the key things to look for, they have a section on this, is 14, contacts, notices and revisions. And you'll notice on the first paragraph, they actually have an email address, eu-privacy@amazon.co.uk. So this is the contact information. If you have any queries around privacy, you can contact that email address and they'll be able to respond to your queries. So at least they have an email address there. I was surprised it wasn't, hyperlinked or had like what they call a mail to link on HTML. That's very easy to do, and I'm sure Amazon are more than capable of doing it, but it's just dead text. So you have to copy this, put that into your email, then post it, and then you can send that email to the appropriate person. They could have just hyperlinked it, made your life easier, but they didn't. They've done it in all other areas of this notice. So it must be just they don't want you to email them. What they do have here as well is how to file a complaint. Now the link they've got here is the supervisory authority. Amazon have their HQ or their headquarters in Luxembourg. So their supervisory authority is based there. In all fairness, they do have a reference to the ICO, the Information Commission's Office, which is my, being in the UK, which is my local authority to complain to. And there are two pieces of legislation in the GDPR, or two articles, that really help you out here. So the authority I would complain to is your local authority, wherever that may be. I would ignore the supervisory authority. That's really nothing to do with you as a consumer. You really want to just complain to your local authority. Mine would be the ICO in the UK. If you're in France, it would be the CNIL. And you can go on the EDPB website, as we've done here, and you can find out which one is your local authority. If you're based in Europe. So Belgium, there's a Belgium authority here with the contact details, and you can just scroll down and find out the most appropriate one for yourself. So that's how you would issue a complaint. Your local authority. And Article 77 of the GDPR really helps you out here. It says you can do it at wherever your place of work is, where you live, or where the infringement or the privacy incident occurred. So you have the flexibility. It doesn't have to be to that supervisory authority of the business. So that's where I would say my complaint. So I hope you found this session useful. Leave any questions or comments below. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.